video, you will learn how we can assign module code and module name onto the PEDS PDM University services. So step number 1, go to your browser and write down URL https://peds.pdm.ac.in. When you press enter, it will open a window in which it will ask the username and password. So in my case, I am going to write here the username aman_engg is username. I am writing my own password. After entering username and password, press enter or click on this button. It will open a new window where you can find a service link. So this is a service link by which you can assign or add the new modules onto the PEDS service. After allocation of these modules by using the services, these modules will be visible to all the faculty members of your departments. So just click on the service tab and press the add new modules. Now we need to select the particular branch of your department. So in my case, I am going to select BTech Computer Science and Engineering. Now I need to give the semester of this branch. So I am going to select 7th semester in my case. Now we need to add the number of modules. So it is asking for the select number of modules that you want to add in one go. So you can see that we have the number of option here 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see here we can add one module at a time. We can add 2 module, 3 module and maximum up to 4 modules. So in my case, I am going to just add one module. Just click on it, one, and then it will ask to assign the module code. So I am opening here my curriculum structure of CSC branch and just going to copy this module code. So this is module code. Just copy and paste into this module code. Similarly, we need to assign the module name. Just copy the module name and paste into the module title. Now click on the submit. A message will appear onto the screen. One module has been added successfully. So by this way you can add the number of modules of your branch and semesters. If you want to see the modules that you have been added recently, just go back to the dashboard. If you want to add the notes for the particular module that you have assigned, go to the notes section and then click on the upload notes. Now select the branch. In my case, this is BTech Computer Science and Engineering. Then semester, 7th semester. Then you can see I have already added 2 modules and recently I have uploaded one module code. This is Compiler Design Lab with the module code CSCN 4102. So by clicking on it, you can upload now notes. Once you will assign all the module codes and module names of your respective branch and semesters, it will be visible to all of the faculty members of your department, and your faculty members will be able to upload your notes and assignment of the respective modules. So this was the process of assigning the module code and module names onto the PEDS service.